You're going to use this story to help you finish the life cycle of a bee over here. I want you to type in the words to show me each stage. You can use the words baby, egg, grub, pupa, or adult. And then I want you to put these in order. You can come back into the story to check to make sure you have them in order. Story is called The Life Cycle of a Bee. This is the table of contents. The table of contents shows you where you can go to find certain information. So if I just wanted to learn about how a bee changes from a baby to an adult, I would go to the pupa stage on page 13. But we're going to read the whole thing. Bees are insects. They live almost everywhere on Earth. There are more than 20,000 kinds of bees. This bee is a honeybee. Honeybees live in hives. They build wax honeycombs inside their hives. Right here is a picture of the hive, and here is what a close-up picture looks like. A honeycomb has thousands of cells. Honeybees store food in some cells, and they raise their young bees in the other cells. Bees grow in stages. The stages of the bee's life cycle are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. A bee begins life as an egg in a honeycomb, so tiny. It's so tiny they need to have a microscope to take the picture. The egg is white and the size of a grain of sand. Picture going to the beach and getting one piece of sand on you. That's as big as a bee's egg. A larva hatches from the egg. A bee larva is called a grub. So there are the grub. They're laying inside of the honeycomb, taking a nap. Adult bees feed the grub royal jelly and bee bread. These special foods help the grub grow healthy. The grub eats and grows. The grub stops eating when it is fully grown. It spins in a case called a cocoon around its body. The grub has changed into a pupa. We can't see inside, so scientists had to take the bees and cut the honeycomb so you could see what it looks like inside the pupa. Remember, they make these little wax casings on top so they can change. That's why we can't see. A bee builds a wax cap on the cell. The pupa changes into adult inside its cocoon. The adult bee breaks out of the cocoon. It chews through the wax cap and leaves its cell. Most adults are workers. These females have many jobs. They clean, mend, which means fix the honeycomb, and protect the hive. Workers care for grubs. They gather nectar and pollen from flowers for food. They make honey. Some adults are drones. Drones are male bees. Their only job is to mate with a queen bee. Some adults are queens. There can be only one queen bee in a hive. New queens must fight each other for the job. The queen leaves the hive to mate with drones. She is ready to lay eggs when she returns. The queen lays as many as 2,000 eggs every day. Each egg is the start of a new life cycle. All right, guys, so now take these pictures, put them in order, starting with the first one up top. You can go around this way. Type in each of the words to tell me the life cycle of a bee.